It opened a lot of doors for me of just really getting to understand how much is being done outside of my own congregation. And I think when I started to look what was really going on outside in the synod and then to the church-wide, it helped me to really see that I'm part of something that is much bigger than just being in my own congregation. My faith and just really looking at people have so much to share, and that by doing this, that we're really following the example that Jesus gave to all of us, is to go out and share the good news.
Our congregation has found vibrancy, a new life that, which is where that whole tie to baptism and death and resurrection comes, is because from that dying to what we thought was important and to opening our eyes to those in need around us, we've really found new life breathed into our congregation through that. So it's been a powerful ministry.
My faith has grown in so many ways by learning about all the awesome things we do together as Lutherans. It's not just about me and my congregation, but it's about the larger picture and all that we do together. And I am always in awe of how that happens. When a congregation comes together and really begins to understand the scope of the work that we do together, people sitting in congregations don't often know that. And when I can tell a story of how they're connected to people across the globe, changing lives, that's a really rewarding feeling.